What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Bleach by ZillaKami and Denzel Curry. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll pour bleach onto your favorite ham sandwich. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard drop D tuning, which means you're gonna go from standard tuning and drop your low E down to a D note. It should be the same as your high D, just an octave lower. And this song only uses two different chords that repeat. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord, all you're gonna be playing is your low 3 strings, and you're gonna bar the 4th fret on all 3, and then put your ring or your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the D string. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 6. And then for your second chord, it's the same exact formation, you're just sliding it down to 8, 8, 10. Now for your strumming pattern, also very simple. It's going to be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.